Welcome to DAV Mall Public School e-learning classes. Standard 5, Subject Science, Chapter 8, Properties of Water. Topic of video is floating and shrinking. Today we will do the revision of this topic, floating and shrinking. There are various types of substance. Some of them get dissolved in a liquid like water, and some may not dissolve in water. The material which do not dissolve in water either float on its surface or shrink to the bottom of the container. To understand whether a substance will float or shrink in water, we can perform an activity. We can take water in some container, fill that container half with water, and then we can put one by one various type of substances in that water, like coin, cork, sand, paper, dry leaves, oil, etc. After putting the substance in the container containing water, we may stir the solution on the mixture. Substances like coin, cork, which are insoluble in water, will shrink to the bottom of the container. Coin, pebbles, stones, these substances will shrink in the water, and substances like dry leaf, wooden block, cork, these will float on the surface. So we will find that some light materials will float over the surface of water, while some heavy materials will shrink in water. Now the similar kind of activity we can do with liquids also. We can take water in different container and we can put different type of liquid in the water. For example, in one container containing water, we can add oil, any edible oil, and in other vessel we can add fruit juice like lemon juice. We will find that and mix both the container, mix the content of both container. We will see that oil is seen to form a layer above the water. We can say that oil floats on water, whereas the other container in which we have added fruit juice or lemon juice, it will not form different layer. It will get mixed with water. We will observe that some materials shrink in water and some material float on its surface. In this way, we can perform an experiment to find out various type of substance which may shrink in water or which may float on water. And we can also tabulate or document our observation. We will observe that some material shrink in water and some material float on its surface. Sand, coin, pebbles, carbon tetrachloride, iron nail, marbles are some materials which shrink in water, while cork, butter paper, thermocol, sawdust, hair oil, mustard oil are some materials which float on the surface of water. Whether a given material will shrink in water or float in water, that depend upon nature and type of that object. Thank you.